Rain, a gift from nature. But what if we could capture it, store it, and use it wisely? Welcome to the world of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the simple process of collecting, storing, and purifying rainwater for everyday use. From rooftops to storage tanks, it's an eco-friendly way to save water and reduce dependency on groundwater. With growing water scarcity, rainwater harvesting is a game changer. It conserves water, reduces bills, and helps recharge groundwater. Plus, it's a step toward a sustainable future. So, here's how it works. Rain falls on your roof and flows through gutters to a filter that removes debris. The clean water is stored in tanks, ready for use in gardening, washing, or even drinking after proper treatment. Rainwater harvesting offers a wide range of benefits that touch every aspect of our lives: environmental, economic, and social. Let's explore these in detail. First, let's talk about the environmental impact. By collecting and using rainwater, we reduce our reliance on municipal water supplies, which are often sourced from rivers, lakes, or underground aquifers. This helps preserve these natural resources for future generations. When we harvest rainwater, we also reduce the amount of stormwater runoff that can cause erosion, flooding, and pollution in our local waterways. For example, in many cities, heavy rainfall can overwhelm storm drains, leading to polluted water flowing directly into rivers and lakes. By capturing rainwater at the source, we help prevent this pollution and protect aquatic ecosystems. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of many chemicals found in tap water, such as chlorine and fluoride. This makes it ideal for watering plants, gardens, and lawns. Plants thrive on rainwater, and using it can lead to healthier, more vibrant gardens. In fact, many gardeners report that their plants grow faster and look greener when watered with rainwater compared to treated tap water. Now, let's consider the economic benefits. One of the most immediate advantages of rainwater harvesting is the potential for significant cost savings. By using rainwater for non-potable purposes like irrigation, toilet flushing, or washing cars, households and businesses can reduce their water bills. For example, a family that installs a rain barrel system can save hundreds of gallons of municipal water each year, translating to noticeable savings on their monthly bills. In some regions, local governments even offer rebates or incentives for installing rainwater harvesting systems, making it an even more attractive investment. For farmers and those in agriculture, rainwater harvesting can be a game changer. It provides a reliable source of water during dry spells, reducing the risk of crop failure and increasing food security. In rural communities, where access to clean water can be limited, rainwater harvesting systems can ensure that crops and livestock have the water they need to thrive, even during droughts. On a larger scale, widespread adoption of rainwater harvesting can reduce the strain on municipal water infrastructure. This means less need for expensive upgrades to water treatment plants and distribution systems, which can save cities and taxpayers money in the long run. It also helps communities become more resilient to the impacts of climate change, such as increased frequency of droughts and unpredictable rainfall patterns. Socially, rainwater harvesting can bring communities together. Community gardens, schools, and local organizations often use rainwater harvesting projects as educational tools, teaching children and adults about the importance of water conservation and environmental stewardship. These projects can foster a sense of pride and ownership as people work together to create greener, more sustainable neighborhoods. In many parts of the world, rainwater harvesting is a vital source of clean water for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. In areas where access to safe water is limited, collecting rainwater can improve health outcomes and reduce the burden on women and children, who often spend hours each day fetching water from distant sources. Let's look at a real-world example. In Australia, where droughts are common, rainwater harvesting has become a standard practice in many homes and businesses. By installing rainwater tanks, Australians have been able to maintain lush gardens, reduce their water bills, and lessen the impact of water restrictions during dry periods. Similarly, in India, rainwater harvesting has helped rural communities secure water for drinking and irrigation, transforming lives and boosting local economies. In summary, rainwater harvesting is a simple yet powerful solution with far-reaching benefits. It saves money, supports agriculture, protects the environment, and strengthens communities. By making the most of the rain that falls on our roofs, we can create a greener, more sustainable future for everyone. So, whether you're a homeowner, a farmer, a teacher, or a community leader, consider the many advantages of rainwater harvesting. It's free, clean, and reduces strain on municipal water systems. Every drop counts. Let's make the most of it. Are you ready to make a difference? Start rainwater harvesting today. It's simple, sustainable, and good for the planet. Just visit yourwebsite.com to learn how to set up your system and join the water revolution. Every drop counts. Let's harvest the rain and build a greener tomorrow.